Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you guys how you can move money to another Trading 212 account. So let's get started. Now for this example we'll be transferring money to the Trading 212 crypto account, as you can see right here. So to do this you just need to tap on the deposit option right here, and here just go ahead and tap on the payment source right here. Now here you can see all the deposit methods, and we would just need to select the move funds one that says instantly move cash from another Trading 212 account. And there we go. So now our Trading 212 invest account will be marked as the source of the funds, and we will be essentially moving funds from our invest account to our crypto account. So to do this, you will just need to input the amount of funds, so let's say €1, that we want to transfer from our invest or stock trading account to our crypto account. Now just tap confirm, and there we go. We just made a deposit. And as you can see, the cash amount just increased. So essentially, that's how you can move funds or money from one to another Trading 212 account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.